Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn Learn app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on my Learn down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just click here on your name. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. On your profile, you go above this sign, click on it here. When you click on this sign, it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down, just keep going down here, and you click here on account settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just ready to open video. So it's going to take a time here to open video, and you click here on visibility. So then come to this list here, and you go down, come here to page runners exporting your data, click on it, and come to this sign, click on it, or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean page owners to export your data disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.